Good evening guys, welcome back to Wicked-Whiskers and welcome back to Slant Saturday, because today I have a new razor to present, and as you saw on my previous videos, I am pretty profound with Fatip Open Comb Slant razor, which is one of my favorite ones, and I also have this Pearl Semi-Slant razor. So the difference is the Pearl is more like a guillotine kind of razor because it's sloping only on one side, while the Fatip has the full torquing of the blade in two, let's say, planes. So not only the blade is tilted, it is also skewed in two directions. So I had mixed opinions about both of them. Some of you asked me in the comment sections, is Fatip Open Comb Slant better or worse compared with the straight bar slant? So Black Friday came a little bit later on, thank you Serbian Post Office, and I got the Razorock German 37 slant. So I will lather up quickly and we will see how it shapes. When it comes to today's soap choice, I'm using Stay Traditional, which I bowl lathered a little bit because I wet my face right now and I have about 2 days of beard growth, so I think this will be just enough. It's a wonderful soap. Very slick, very moisturizing. And as always, when I do bowl lathering, I will do a little bit more scrubbing because I'm having that lack of soak time on my skin. So I just want to make sure that whiskers are well covered, that lather is not only sitting on the top of my whiskers, but it is really well distributed in between the whiskers. So we are ready to go. I will wet the razor just a little bit. It has one fly deer blade. Somehow these blades are my new trial blades for new razors, simply because they are not so aggressive, and if something is wrong I will notice it on the first run, because for example with R41 I reckon that fly deers are a little bit tuggy. So if the razor needs something, let's say, more quality or sharper, I will know. But so far I could say that this is very nice razor, because even with fly deers I am about 95% BBS. When it comes to razor, it has bulldog handle, which is about 95 millimeters in length. Overall razor is somewhere about 100 grams, but the weight is actually really well distributed, so I'm not sensing that it is out of balance, neither that I need something heavier or more aggressive. It's just munching the whiskers nice and slow. So neck area is clean right now. When it comes to rinsing, I would say it is pretty nice, pretty clean, as you can see from all sides. It seems to be like a very large blade exposure. I don't have that with Fatip, so maybe it appears, let's say, a little bit less comforting. It doesn't look scary. I'm not sensing that something weird or unnatural is happening. Yeah, pretty nice and surprisingly clean. As you noticed, I played that dart game again. And maybe just for entertainment, let's complete another pass, just to clean everything up. There was just a tiny bit of whiskers, and I will try not to overdone this shave, because for me personally the slant razors are wonderful choice, because they are very good at lifting my low growing whiskers, for which sometimes I need to use more aggressive razors, or if I go super mild I need to repeat 2 passes like right now. But in overall I always sense that tiny stubble, but with this German 37 I don't have that same sensation. So it basically appears as everything was scooped pretty nice, pretty well, and I will try now not to make things worse. Like said, the razor is very well balanced. I think this is the best Razorock's handle. Good weight, good grip. The only thing which I maybe dislike is I will rinse the razor so you can see. Actually, as you can see, the shape of the head, it's really flat. I mean, the Fatip is also pretty flat and well rounded, but somehow with Fatips I have more sensation of the blade, where it is. With this I don't have. So although it is cutting very nice, I'm not sensing the blade on my skin. So I would need few shaves just to understand how much pressure I need to apply. That's the reason why I'm going very slowly. And to be quite honest, I'm receiving very minimal feedback. So it seems that I covered everything on the first run. And no nicks, my friends, with slant razor. Just light tapping with water and yeah, completely BBS. So let's try Brion as always. It's sort of becoming my trademark. And let's tap. A little bit more stinging than usual. So maybe this is the price of this elevated smoothness. Now let's talk about different types of slants. So this, let's call it tilted slant. For me, it's an exceptional razor. It's super cheap, maybe like 15 euros. Very nice matte silver finish. But to me, it feels like regular DE safety razor, so nothing special. Fox, on other hand, is really magnificent razor. Open comb, all traditional Fatip features. Gleaming gold, nice design, beautiful to look at, also super comfortable to use. Just enough blade feel so you know what you're doing. And actually it is torquing, as I said previously, the blade in two planes, so it is actually providing much more rigidness to it. So, German 37, where does it sit? I would say somewhere in between. And because of this I see some redness, and this is usually my trouble spot. It also has that Fatip's torquing principle, and because of this it really scoops that lower growing whiskers much better. So you will be a little bit cleaner compared with traditional flat bar razors. I mean flat blade razors, open comb or straight bars. But actually this will also lead to going a little bit closer to the skin. So I didn't cut my mole. Actually I didn't cut myself at all. So draw your own conclusions from this. I enjoyed the shave, I hope you are as well. So join me next time and stay tuned. Goodbye.